Hello Ashley, good day, and now we're in the process of installing the shower unit, shower cabin, and these people, they are from a trading company and they are buying from us and they export it to other countries, and now we are helping them install a few samples, well, quite a few samples for them to inspect the quality and everything else. Now, as we can see, we are now right in the process of installing this unit, and I would like to show you some details. And this is what we do now. It's acid glass. The glass panel is acid glass. And the glass thickness is 5 mm, and the shower wheels, it's single shower wheels for the bottom, as we can see here. This is a mechanism. If you have dealt with this business before, and you will be familiar with kind of this spare parts or accessories. And on the top, we have the double shower wheels or the twin shower wheels, and they are plastic. They are cheap in the prices, but the quality is okay. So when we are selling large quantities, so this the prices for these accessories will play a very important role in the pricing stuff like this. And these are doors. These are the door seals. And it is very easy to be understood. So when the door closes, they'll be like a stick together. And this is the waterproof strip, or the shower door sweep, which can stop the water from the shower cabin from going outside. And this is basically used on the sliding shower doors. The sliding panel. See. So we must have 4 pieces of this. There is one missing. There is one missing, but it must be somewhere else. No problem with this. And these are the accessories. As you can see, for every bag of accessories, we have a small lever indicate what it actually is. And this is requested by this customer from Russia. So some customers will do the installation by themselves, so they will not be so skilled, and so this will help them to locate the parts, or help them make the installation a little bit easier. So that's what we do. As we just saw, I think we have this library over here. So if I will show you the installation guide, you will find the details of which part goes to where, some stuff like this. Now the handle part, it's not high quality, but it's okay. And this is aluminum profile. It's bright chrome, and I have already the photos for these profiles, for this the top profiles, top and down, and also the side profiles. I have all the photos in details, and the I can show you later maybe. And one important thing I wanted to mention here is that for the aluminum profiles we use the thickness, the wall thickness is around is about 1 millimeter. I think this is industry standard. So we are doing the decent quality. So this is important for you to know. You know, some customers, I mean, some suppliers might be doing something like 0.8 millimeter of thickness, and what we're doing is okay, I think. So this is only for your reference. Alright, this is Asuri. I will try to show you some photos and videos when the shower unit is already installed. Thank you very much. Bye bye.